There's another road closure for residents of Roane County, and it's Airport Road, which was washed out by recent storms.
It's been closed 12 days and is not expected to reopen for weeks or possibly even months.
WATE 6 on your side consumer reporter Don Dare saw firsthand how this mountain road, I should say, has broken up really in two spots. Don.
Yeah, and the road superintendent, the county road superintendent took it to the sites of both of those washouts, and it is a mess. It is the second time in the last 12 months that a roadway in Roane County has been closed. Last February, it was Riggs Chapel Road in Harriman. It was closed to traffic for more than 10 months. Now it's badly damaged road on Rockwood Mountain. It's another headache for Roane County residents. Part of Airport Road, which hugs Rockwood Mountain, has been shut down since February 6th. A 100-foot section of the south side lane of Airport Road collapsed due to heavy rain and runoff from the ridge above the road. Roane County Road Superintendent Dennis Ferguson. This has been sliding now for a week or so?
Yes, since the last heavy rain.
The depth of the collapsed roadway varies from 12 inches to 36. I mean, that's a foot right there.
Yeah. $5 million is the estimate of what they figured it would cost to fix it, and they said they couldn't say that it would hold it or not.
So what do you do?
I'm not going to do it. Not no $5 million. We can't afford that.
A second collapse to Airport Road is close to Rockwood's city line. Here, the opening of the broken road is a foot deep.
This is really a road for the people in Morgan County to come to trade in Rockwood, in the city, to trade our local stores.
With a permanent fix to Airport Road too expensive for the county, there is an alternative.
I've even thought about maybe shutting this off and just leaving this one lane open and having the red lights up here all the time.
In February of last year, it was Riggs Chapel Road in Harriman that had to be closed.
Rocks are falling.
Dennis Ferguson shut down a 1-mile section of Riggs Chapel. Boulders littered the roadway. Water driven under the road created holes. The February 23rd storm split Riggs Chapel in several places.
The ground's moved and the road is falling in.
We returned to Riggs Chapel last August after the county approved a multi-million-dollar fix to this roadway and others damaged last year. It was shortly before Christmas when the road reopened.
This was washing all the time. This was one of the spots, all that water was just going under the road all the time.
Last summer, engineers terraced about 300 yards of Walden Ridge. Making use of a natural spring, they directed runoff from the ridge under Riggs Chapel. They cut under the road.
They did. Put this concrete tile under there, and we're shooting it over into this riprap that we put here, and you can see the water shooting out.
The water now pours into the Emery River instead of flooding Riggs Chapel Road. For months, Alan Poland had to take a long detour.
It made our trips to Walmart about an hour, an hour long, and man, it was a rough time when we had both our roads closed. They got this one side open. It makes it a lot easier. It only takes me about 10-15 minutes to get to town now.
The plan here is to repave this road, this section here, as soon as weather breaks. Right now, we can't do it because it's too cold for the pavers and too wet.
In downtown Harriman, the city will have to figure out how it will repair this huge washout at David Webb Riverfront Park. However, with the river level still high and the flow extremely fast, the park will likely be closed for a while. No date yet has been determined when one lane of Airport Road will reopen. Now, tomorrow in Harriman, a team from the Natural Resource Conservation Service, together with Harriman officials, will examine damage at the Riverfront Park. The city is hoping federal funding may be available from the Emergency Watershed Protection Program to shore up damage at the park. It's likely Riverfront Park will be closed for several more months. And Bo and Madison, Roane County, and Harriman have really seen their share of problems over the last year.
They've really been impacted by the weather, that is for sure.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely hopefully get some of those things fixed.